In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize space settings in ClickUp, Space Configuration 2026. Start by opening your browser and heading to clickup.com. Using a desktop or a full browser window makes this process easier, because you'll see the full sidebar and all available options at a glance. Next, log into your ClickUp account. You can continue with email, or choose a connected provider like a social login. Use whichever you prefer. If you're prompted for additional verification, complete that as usual. Once you're in, double check that you're in the correct workspace, especially if you belong to more than one. You can switch workspaces from the Workspace menu near the top of the interface. You'll land on your ClickUp homepage. This is your hub for tasks, notifications, and recent activity. Focus on the left side of the screen, where the main navigation lives. That sidebar includes your spaces, along with other areas like tasks and messages. Look for the space you want to configure. If your list is long, you may need to expand the Spaces section or scroll to find it. Identifying the right space matters because changes you make here typically apply to everyone with access to that space. Hover your mouse over the space name and click the three dots icon, the ellipsis, to open its context menu. This is where ClickUp keeps quick actions and deeper controls so you can manage the space without leaving your current view. From that menu, click More and then select All Space Settings. This takes you to the full settings area for that space. If you don't see these options, you might not have permission to edit the space. In that case, contact a Workspace admin to request access. Now customize your space. Update the space name, description, and color to keep it recognizable. Review feature toggles like docs, sprints, or time tracking to enable only what your team needs. Adjust task statuses so your workflow reflects real stages of work. Clear statuses help everyone know what's in progress, blocked, or done. Set default views, such as list, board, or calendar, so the team lands on the most helpful layout. Check sharing and permissions to control who can create, edit, or delete items. When you're satisfied, find the Save or Save Changes button and confirm. Saving locks in your updates for all space members. That's it. Go to clickup.com, log in, open your homepage, find your space in the left sidebar, use the ellipsis, choose More, select all space settings, make your changes, and save. After saving, return to the space to verify that your statuses, features, and views look exactly the way you want.